I'm Leah from Southern Yankee DIY, and you're watching Hometalk. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to create a super fun and festive 4th of July centerpiece using a bunch of old bricks. The first thing we're going to do is wipe down all the bricks to remove any loose dust. Next, grab your favorite spray paint and give each brick a nice coating of white paint. That's going to be our base color. I did end up giving my bricks 2 coats of spray paint. So depending on how your bricks absorb the spray paint, you may need 2 or 3 coats as well. Once each of the bricks are nice and dry, we're going to use some frog tape to create our first design, the stripes. Simply place the frog tape equal distance lines from each other. Next, grab some pretty red spray paint and spray the entire brick. After I spray the brick, I like to immediately pull up the tape so that there's no leaking in between the colors. Now it's time for our second design, the stars. I used my Cricut machine to cut out these stars, but you could also use regular stickers, and I simply placed them around the brick. Once my stickers were in place, I used some blue spray paint and covered the entire brick the same way as we did the first one. Gosh, I love this color. And just like with the first brick, I immediately pulled up my stickers. I love how these look so far. We have 2 more to go. For the last 2 bricks, we're going to do them the same way we did the first 2. One with stripes and one with stars. In order to attach these bricks together, I used my hot glue gun and construction grade hot glue sticks. Then I simply attached the ends together and held with a little bit of pressure. This construction grade hot glue holds really strong and dries really fast. Now it's time to fill our centerpiece. We're going to use this foam to keep all of our flowers in place. I grabbed these fun flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm simply going to insert them in our foam and then rearrange them so they look super cute. Then I added this sparkly red ribbon to give it just a little bit of a fuller look. And that's it, y'all. Our super fun 4th of July centerpiece is officially complete, and it is so fun. I absolutely love it. And it only cost me a few dollars at the Dollar Tree to pick out flowers because I got to use old bricks. And thank you for watching Home Talk. I can't wait to see you next time.